Welcome to Archie Sense. Redesigning with respect for heritage. The renovation aimed to maintain heritage elements while proposing new and innovative uses for space. The boundaries in some walls were retained to maintain structural integrity. Roof reconstruction, maximizing natural lighting. The reconstructed roof with two uneven sections provided the opportunity to add a skylight. This transformed the upper floor by eliminating a wall and creating a large open space for the living room, dining room, and kitchen. Integration of inside and out. Connecting veranda. A large veranda that crosses the house connects the garden with the interior spaces, creating a harmonious flow between the inside and outside spaces. Ground floor extension, adapting to the needs of the users. The ground floor was expanded to include an additional bedroom, bathroom, garage, and service/technical area. This new volume was designed to meet the needs of the users individually in accordance with the proposed program on the upper floor. Conclusion: providing a more open and integrated space. The project resulted in a more open and integrated home with its surroundings, making it an ideal residence to enjoy the beauty of the coast and comfort in a modernly updated design.